Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the Ricky's Cult Crushes unboxing. If you don't know, I do have a giveaway going on right now. I will put the link right down in the description below. So go ahead and click on that and get yourself entered for the giveaway. I have tons of stuff I'm giving away that was from beauty boxes, stuff that I just never use because it wasn't cruelty free or stuff I just didn't like that I thought maybe one of you would like to win. So don't miss that video. It'll be linked right below. Also, let me tell you a little bit about Ricky's. It is a $14 a month beauty subscription box. You get a theme selection of hand-picked products in cosmetics, skincare, and hair care and fashion, and then you get 25% off the Ricky's online store. So yeah, let's just go ahead and open this up. Okay, so this is what the box looks like when you get into it. So it's got the little card right here that tells you everything you're getting on it. It doesn't tell you the values on the products, but I will put those in the description down below when I break down the value of the box. Let's just get into this. Let's see. The first thing I'm seeing is from Smack Beauty. It's called Bath Those Lashes Volumizing Lash Serum. I've never used a lash serum. Let's see. Grow your lashes and feel summertime fine with the help of this serum. Not only does it condition your lashes for a lush look, biotin helps them grow naturally. Use this daily for best results. Oh my gosh, you guys, I hate this. Like, look at the waste of packaging. All that empty space for that. Like, that's annoying to me. I'm sorry. That is unnecessary, this giant box for this. So anyways, rant aside. It looks like it's just, oh wow, it's just like this little, can you see that little tiny yellow applicator right there? Okay, so I wonder if you just apply it to like your lash line. And sleeve motion, apply serum to upper lash line starting from inner corner of the eye to the outer edge and back. Use daily for best results. I always hate when they're like avoid contact with eye on stuff that goes literally right at your eye. So anyways, I will play around with this. I'm not really into long lashes, like it's not important to me, but I'm not against them either. So definitely will give this a try. Let's see, the next thing I have in here is from LA Splash Cosmetics. Wickedly Divine Death Dealer. It's a lipstick. Let's see. It's in this shade, Death Dealer. Okay, that makes sense. Whoa. The packaging is really neat. It's very witchy. Let's go ahead and swatch this. Oh, I wish I wouldn't have opened this. It's purple. Oh. Sorry, purple is like one of my least favorite colors, and I probably won't wear it, but it's already open now, so let's just go ahead and swatch it. Oh, it's not bad. It's not like super purple. It's like a dark mauve-y purple, so that's not bad. I don't know if it'll dry down matte, so we will give this some time to dry, and we will see. I do like the applicator on it, though. It has like that triangle doe fit applicator, so it's easier to get around like the corners and all the tight spaces on your lip, so you don't really need lip liner when it has the applicator like that, so that's cool. Next thing I have is from Ricky's. Oh, it's like their own brand. It is their travel care wipes. Let's see, I'm not sure. I've actually never gotten anything from the Ricky brand in this, so I don't even know if the Ricky's brand is cruelty free, so I will research that and I will put that in the description down below. But if they are, you can always use more makeup wipes, always using those, so that's exciting. Let's see, the next thing I'm seeing in here is Vanishing Potion number 3. This is also from LA Splash Cosmetics. So what is this? Waterproof makeup remover. Oh, cute. I do like the packaging of this brand. Like, that's super cute. Can you see that? It's like a little potion. It's coconut. Oh my gosh, coconut's my favorite. I need to find out if this brand's cruelty free. Let me do a quick Google search. All right, so they're cruelty free, so I can use this. That's exciting. Just want to smell it if it's coconuts. It doesn't really smell coconutty. It doesn't smell like anything, but it says on here coconut concoction. Maybe it's just made with coconuts. It's not coconut scented. Anyways, so I like the little packaging on that. That's neat. I mean, it's not a ton of makeup remover, but definitely will give it a whirl, see how that goes. That lip color is drying down pretty matte though, so that's nice. And I'm glad that now I know this is cruelty free too, so I can use that. Okay, got one more thing in here. This is from Glamazon Beauty. It is a cream highlighter, so it's pretty big. This is cruelty free. So it looks just like that. It is cream. This is in the shade Amber Lights. It smells pretty nice. It's very subtle too. I like that. I'm not like a person who likes a really blinding highlight. So, I don't know if you can see it just right above the lip color there. So yeah, it's really nice and subtle. I'm not mad about that. I never heard of this. I haven't heard of any of these brands really. But I like that. I like being introduced to new brands. So there it is on my finger. It's just pretty light, not bad at all. So yeah, we got 5 products this month. Overall, it's not a bad box. I think a lot of people were kind of on the fence with Ricky's because they have not been putting a lot of makeup in their boxes, and people are, maybe not everyone, but a lot of people are like, you know, I want makeup. So I got 2 makeup products this time, which is not bad. I got the makeup remover, 2 makeup removing products, and then the lash serum. So yeah, overall not a bad box. It's a good mix of, you know, skincare and makeup. So yeah. If you guys like this video, why don't you go ahead and hit that thumbs up down there. And if you want to see more videos like this, more unboxings from me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would mean so much to me. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.